afternoon. Welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, well, so am I. My name's Megan, and after owning a camera for 5 years and not using it, I've decided it's finally time. And it's the perfect time because early tomorrow morning we are packing up and heading to Disney World. Going on this trip with me is my husband, our 2 kids. I have a 6-year-old son and a 10-month-old daughter. Also joining us is my grandma and my husband's best friend. We have a lot planned, so stick around and hopefully we're having fun.
Yeah? Is that what they call it? They call it footy? Is that like footage?
Got caught in 4K.
You got caught in 4K? You getting caught in 4K right now? Alex. Look in front of us.
What?
Where are we at?
Disney.
Are you excited?
Yeah.
We're staying for 5 days. Yeah.
Baby.
One at a time.
Baby, stand up and grab the thing above your head.
He can't, I don't think he can reach it. On the next one, grab it. There you go, dude. There you go. Go. Or just grab up there and come over here.
Pull yourself across.
There you go.
There we go, baby.
Now, guys, a piece of ice to the next one.
Oh, he's got her. He's got her.
You got it. Hold on, hold on, hold on. You got it, you got it.
Nice.
There we go.
Now you gotta keep your feet on there. Walk the bar across.
Yeah, walk your piece of ice all the way to this one. Guide yourself over to this one. See, look at the mat, man.
You excited? Alex. By win, I mean second, because I definitely won.
I'm looking on my board.
Yeah.
She's getting this out of her system.
Thank you. Is the salad yummy?
Make sure you pour it.
Two-step. Don't worry, we're not going to go light speed.
Good morning. We are currently on the way to Epcot from Art of Animation. Stopped and got Joffrey's. Okay, we are catching up with the rest of the family because they did not want to wait for us. There they are.
Mom, which one did you get?
I don't even know. Disney, right?
Where's your coffee?
I drank it.
You guys are thirsty. Do it for You're on the way. Now spin. Yeah.
You're not gonna have that much juice.
No, he's gonna have, he just takes up the whole
It just starts going backward.
Back up,
You're
everybody
gonna
back
start
up.
doing the damn squid or whatever it's called.
I call it the octopus.
That was great.
Emma said, then you're going to be a good
Baby. She said no thank you. we have teeth yet?
No.
Got a juicy.
Oh, you're so cute. You can see them.
Feel it?
So that feels good.
Same as you can feel it. All right, Alex, what ride? Or what song? You remember the song?
September.
September?
See any you like?
Oh, a little hair. Oh,
You want the Stitch one?
oh, you can have one open one. But you don't like that.
I like the Star Wars one.
You like still.
Do you want the Stitch? Is that the one you want? Alex, let me see yours.
We're gonna walk around the aquarium, turtle
Yeah.
talk, living land, what?
Alex wants to do turtle talk.
Let's go.
You doing turtle talk?
We're gonna go do one more show.
What are you gonna do?
A show. You know what it says? It says, what do raising humans know? B, 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 B. B, B, B.
How's a bee?
Cartilage. True or false? Every nesting cycle, female green sea turtles return to the same area of the beach where they were born. What does the long snout butterfly fish use its snout for? True or false? Pufferfish are some of the fastest swimming fish in the open sea.
These guys are small.
I don't know.
See, check out that most excellent, most spirited. That was awesome. Look at all the humans in the human tank. Roll it!
Roll it!
Punch it!
Punch it!
Dudes, I think I found it. I'm swimming around Michigan. 20! 25!
Hey, Crush, watch out for the glass.
Yeah, thanks for the hit.
Okay, I'm sad they don't have burrito tacos anymore. So
I knew
I
you would
got
be.
the sweet and
that was
sour.
too big.
Wait, what was this called? Stir fry
I think it's
chicken?
just chicken stir fry.
Chicken stir fry.
Chicken stir
So I
fry.
got the chicken stir fry, roast beef sandwich, and classic
February flatbread.
flatbread.
Don't get sleepy on me now, dude.
And a $5 Coke.
You're such a faker.
And applesauce. Smile! Okay, was everyone smiling?
I was.
You're good, Alex. Alex, throw your arms up. Impossible chicken tenders dipped in buffalo dip, the Korean barbecue wings, and pickle spears. Correction, this is the Korean barbecue. They had messed up and given me the Carolina Reaper. I know, right? Kind of. Okay, so we got a passport that we're going to take and get signed.
Let's have lightning after we.